That's good.
Eskimos.
That's good.
Eskimos.
King B and Dr. Tito, you know that we call. We freestyling real quick so we can get all the ladies wildin'. And we know that we don't slip, we fucking crawl to the tip top. We make it to the mountain and we never gonna stop. Here's a stop sign, I fucking rewind and take my lines just like I fucking smile down upon you. And I do not commit no crimes, cause I am not your savior. I will fucking save this joint for later and smoke it with your friends. Tell me again that I am Dr. Tito. Do I offend? I do not bend my own rules, because I will take you to school and show you all the fools that I will take you, just like the King B and Dr. Tito will take you.
Take you, because I'm gonna bake you up and down and left and right and around town, because we going down, ain't got around, cause I'm chillin' in Dallas, Texas. You know I'm that fine fiend villain. Call me skillin', call me cool, call me whatever you want, but you know it's my kingdom and I motherfucking rule. So be cool, act cool, you know we all cool, we chillin'. Go to the bar and see a finest honey and she chillin'. Come up to her, what's your name, what's your number, what's your frame, what's your size? Oh my, to my surprise I rain down like these streets and these beats, and you know we keep it in the Hinkley because we got the feats to the features. You know we got it like my fucking creatures that are designed in my mind. You know I'm gonna creep up on you, then I'm gonna get on a llama, go so far because I don't wanna cause any more drama. Then I'm out.
Then I'm out, and I'm out on the street. You know I fucking sit neat in my seat when I fucking make these beats, and I fucking rock it and I fucking stalk it, but not like a stalker, but kind of like a Nightcrawler, X-Men. You know I fucking send this letter out so I get better about my rhymes, and I fucking style just like a fucking snail. I'm fucking creeping, crawling just like a fucking water, a bucket or a pail that I pour on top of ya, just to make sure that I stay on top of ya. So I make ya a little bit wet, so you might as well bet that the Eskimos are killing it.
Killing it. Pass me that cigarette, you know I'm feeling it. Trying to quit, but I'm feeling like a motherfucking dumb bitch. But I am so hood rich in Dallas, Texas. That ain't hood rich, but it's okay, cause I bust my whip and I work today. Not really got fired, got hurt, but it's okay, cause I'm on my way to the top, and I ain't gonna stop because I'm rocking this shit and it's popping. Now I'm dropping the panties and you know you fucking wantin'.
Damn, you fucking wanted. You fucking wanted. You fucking wanted this shit. So you might as well quit. I'm about to hit this track real quick. And you know that I fucking cannot sit still. I fucking will devour these words and take a shower in them. I do not care because I am about that winning life. Charlie Sheen got a laser beam and I'm shooting it straight into your brain. Insane tracks, Eskimos back, dopeness we do not lack.
Your mama's the shit.
Your mama's the shit.
By the way,
your mama's the shit. Your mama's the shit. In bed.
Shit. Shit. Your mama, she the fucking shit.
In bed. In bed. Your mama's the shit.
Eskimos.